Saplings, I hope you're all well. Okay, so this is the second part of my doubling lesson for maths. Okay, our learning objective is still learning how to double. And I hope you watched the episode Number Blocks Double Trouble. It's not very long, it's about 5 minutes. So I hope you watched that. So after that, we went through our slides yesterday. We had a look what doubling is. Doubling is when the number gets bigger and when it's the same number added together, that gives you the amount. So let's have a really quick look of what doubling is. I'm going to have a quick recap of what doubling is. So, I'm going to move for this one. So yesterday we did 1 add 1, same numbers, equals 2. Well done. And then we did 2 add 2, again same numbers, equals 4. But then we know that the 4 number block looks like this. Okay, so let's pop that down. 4 add 4 equals 8. Well done. We know our 8 number block is purple and different in colour, but we know 4 add 4 equals 8. Fantastic. So we're going to go over some of our doubling methods, and we're going to take it one step further. Now, as part of my challenge yesterday, I did ask you to see if you can write the number sentences for doubling, because we have written number sentences in school. Okay, we have used the add sign, we have used the equal sign, and we do know how to write our number sentence. So we're going to go over that with you today, this morning. But before I do that, we're going to have a look at the board. Have a look at our board. Okay, we have number block 1, number block 2, number block 4, and number block 8. Keep looking at the board. Have a look at that. So we started off with 2. 2. How did we get to 2? How did we get to 2? Which numbers did we have to double up to get to 2? Have a look. Well done. 1. So if you have a look, 1 add 1 gives us 2. I'm going to switch my number sentences. I'm going to write them in a different way, but it means exactly the same thing. Watch this. Keep looking at the board. Look at that. 2 equals 1 add 1. Or you can say it this way. 1 add 1 equals 2. I'm going to write it the other way, which is exactly the same thing. 1 add 1 equals 2. Fantastic. Let's move on to the next one. You continue with me. Keep looking at the board. We'll go over halving these numbers a little later, but we're going to do doubling for now. Keep looking. Have a look. We've got 2 there. Okay. So I'm going to change that one now. So I'm going to put 4 in there. How do we get 4? Which number do we double up to get to 4? The clue is on the board. Keep looking. Fantastic. 2. So 2 add 2 gives us 4 equals 4. And we can write this in 2 different ways. Let's have a look. 4, if you double 2, so 2 add 2 equals 4. Or 4 split into 2 groups of 2 gives you 4. Let's have a look. Let's write it the other way. 2 add 2 equals 4. Remember, these numbers are always the same. So when you double, the numbers are always the same. Add the same numbers together to equal the amount. Let's have a look at another one. Keep looking on the board. Let's have a look at this one. We start off, okay, looking at this number, 8. How do we get to 8? Which two numbers that are the same that add up to make 8? We know 1 add 1 equals 2. We know that 2 add 2 equals 4. So I wonder what it is. Well done. It is. Let's see if you're right. You're quite right. Looking at the board, it is 4. Add 4 equals 8. And again, we're going to write our number sentences like that. Okay? We'll start off here. So 8. How do we get 8? Which two numbers add up to 8? I know that 4, when it's doubled, double 4 equals 8. Or you can do it the other way, which is 4 add 4 equals 8. Okay, these are the numbers that we are looking at. But as a challenge, you can go and do some more doubling with your adult. Now, I've already sent you the doubling packs out. Okay, I have done 1 add 1. I've done 2 add 2. What about 3 add 3? 5 add 5. 6 add 6. 7 add 7. 8 add 8. 9 add 9. 10 add 10. You might have to borrow some fingers for some of these questions. I'd like you to go and do some doubling with your adult. Send me the pictures and I'll have a look how fantastically well you have done. So for the next lesson, it's going to be blast off. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Thank you for watching Double Trouble. I shall see you again with blast off. See you later.